refrigerator. I've got it running on gas right now. It's, maybe you can see the, where I scratched. Come on, focus, man. What's up? There we go. So there's frost in there. It's getting cold. Whew. Let me get my tip gun, because I can't tell if it's recording on this little screen. I can't tell if it's recording or not. It says 23.3. There you go. That's on gas. Now this has only been on for about an hour, so this hasn't cooled off as much. What are the fins? Those are 59 right now. Like I said, I turned this on about an hour ago, and it's on gas, so. But the fridge works fine. Little battery light's dying. Works fine on gas or electric. You see it's on gas. I will turn it to electric. No check light.